Listen up. It felt like I just shattered the regular way of doing things to get these kinds of profits in crypto. It was completely wild. I felt like I tapped into some secret crypto trick or something. You eager to know how I pulled that off? Keep watching, because I'm about to expose all the hidden tactics I employed. Honestly, I've lost count of the meme coins I've gotten into that completely failed. Wasted a ton of my time and just lost tokens left and right like it was nothing. But since finding this specific strategy and putting it to work every single day, my results have been absolutely phenomenal. Right now, I'm pulling in 5 times more than I used to make. The entire approach is built on doing it repeatedly. That's the core principle I'm about to fully explain to you. Alright, I'm planning to reveal the entire method to you shortly, but before we get into all that exciting material, let's have a conversation about how we're actually going to launch this project. If using Pump.Fun is what you're considering, just be aware that it comes with some significant potential issues. This is one of the first crucial points we need to firmly establish. Boot Photon and select the DEX filter for Pump.Fun. You're going to see brand new meme tokens show up practically every 60 seconds. The vast majority of these tokens launch and then immediately plummet in price. This is because Pump.Fun has made it incredibly easy for just about anyone to launch, resulting in the entire platform being overrun with a flood of poor quality stuff. Okay, now make your way to the DEX filter specifically on Radium and take a look around. Just 20 tokens launched over 16 minutes. That situation is absolutely not random. Look at this closely. The liquidity is firmly secured, the price graphs appear exceptionally steady, and the trading volume is increasing rapidly. The explanation for all these factors? Only dedicated creators are granted approval to launch here. That's precisely the justification for choosing this course of action. Don't leave, because I'm about to clarify every detail. Yo, get this. LaunchTool is a total game changer, making it ridiculously easy for anyone, even your non-techie relatives, to launch their own crypto token on Radium. Seriously, you don't need to know jack about coding. It's like, click a few buttons, and bam, your token's out there. I've been riding this wave hard, and let me tell you, the profits have been seriously nuts. Just for your info, we'll be relying on Canva to handle our logo creation. You're free to look at what's currently popular, or pick any image that catches your eye. For me personally, I located this fantastic logo using a super fast image search. I've been really into these funny doodles with big, noticeable characteristics lately, so I'm basing my coin on one of those. Yeah, that's the direction we're taking. Alright, so since you've got Canva open, just load your logo into the project, and you absolutely need to confirm it's 128 by 128 pixels exactly. Tweak it a bit if you think it needs fine-tuning, and then you are prepared to save the final version. That completes the entire logo task. It genuinely couldn't be simpler. Okay, navigate back over to launchtool.io and link up your Phantom wallet, just like I'm showing you here on screen. When the platform prompts you for the token specifics, ensure you input Panic Doodle for the name and PD as the token symbol. You are free to add a description if you'd like, but I personally won't be including one this time. Following that, upload that fantastic logo you put together in Canva, and click the Next button to advance to the next stage. Yo, if by chance you see any numbers with a decimal or amounts of crypto involved, definitely do not touch them at all, okay? Leave them exactly in the state they are when you see them. Smash that Next button right after you do that, and we'll be good to keep moving to the next thing. Heads up, verifying the creator is going to hit you for 0.1 Solana. Whether that price tag is okay with you is totally your call. I'm keeping my Solana locked down tight. That stuff is way too precious to just give away. Go ahead and tap skip. There's no reason to waste any precious minutes. Regarding the social media links, feel completely free to add your Telegram channel or perhaps a Discord server. Truly, whichever one you prefer is fine. It's a neat small addition to include, but it's not absolutely mandatory since Radium will automatically establish all the connection channels. Just go ahead and click the skip button, and let's keep this entire process moving forward smoothly. Listen carefully right here. Messing with these security configurations is totally out of the question. Final answer. You could potentially keep 0.3 Solana by switching them off, but trust me on this, you will absolutely miss out on potential investors. Any credible investor is going to check if freezing and minting are disabled. If that isn't the scenario, you're pretty much signaling that you're shady. My recommendation for you, keep those settings turned on and smash that Launch My Token Now button decisively. Wait just a brief moment, please. Now go right ahead and finalize that transaction in your wallet. Just give it a tap. And then, bingo. Your token is officially live and prepared for trading. Incredible job. Okay, so we just examined our coin by clicking that SoulScan link, and are you curious about the outcome? It's officially confirmed. It is fully operational and performing flawlessly on the Solana blockchain. Okay, right now is the time to make this token functional. Go back over to launchtool.io and proceed to click that button labeled Create Liquidity Pool. That specific action will automatically transfer you to Radium, which is where we'll get the liquidity pool arranged. Let's target some significant earnings. Yo, time to push this process along by making your meme token the main event. Grab that contract address from launchtool.io, then copy and paste that info right into Radium. When it comes to the symbol, input PD, and the token name is Panic Doodle. Then just hit Add User Token to make it real. Now let's get to that crucial liquidity. If you generated 1 billion tokens, make sure to put a substantial 900 million into the liquidity pool. Seriously. And regarding the trading pair you need, it absolutely must be Solana. It's the main asset on its own network. You understand the importance. Okay. While you are putting in your Solana amount, make certain you click max and then just deduct 0.2 Solana from the total. That little bit of Solana is intended to cover the fees for transactions and give us some space. Set the fee percentage to 2%. That is the prime number to encourage investors to check us out. All right, guys, this is the climax we've been preparing for. Go ahead and click that Initialize Liquidity Pool button now. Your wallet is going to request permission. This is the heavyweight transaction, people. Just okay the transaction that appears and done. Your token is officially on the exchange and ready for buying and selling. Now open up Photon, switch the filter over to Radium, and get your eyes ready. Your brand new MemeCoin will probably be right there in front of you. It'll be hard not to see it. That's your visual confirmation that it's officially active in the market and all ready to go for trading. Jump back to launchtool.io and ensure you've got the exact address for your coin copied. Got it? Now cruise over to Deck Screener, search for any coin you see listed, and then you can either replace the address in the URL bar with your coins, or just search specifically for your coin's name. And automatically, your coin's chart will appear, working flawlessly. Really easy to follow along with. Jumping into the market this early means seriously, any move you make just automatically puts extra cash in your pocket without even trying hard. Plus, since you're one of the initial individuals here, the thought of actually losing money at this point seems nearly absurd. Now you can just kick back and observe your investment as it goes completely vertical. Check out the charts. There's already some buying and selling taking place. This activity occurring so soon, it's most likely just automated trading by bots. Nothing overly intense at this very moment. What I am genuinely watching for is when a large investor, commonly known as a whale, initiates a massive purchase. That event is the authentic signal we are hoping to observe. Don't be concerned about this for now, though. This is just the standard way these types of projects commence. Yo team, some good news. We just got a payout of $65, and that equals 0.46 Solana. Plus, as you can peep, the liquidity is climbing and the market cap has risen. That's a positive indicator, no doubt. So we just got to keep chilling and waiting. All right, everyone. 2 significant payments were processed in the last few minutes. One coming in at $158, then a little dip, and I'm seeing another for $127. As you can see, the liquidity seems pretty healthy. However, for the time being, it's time to take a pause and make sure our liquidity is properly handled. I'll demonstrate the process step by step. First up, get your creator wallet linked to Radium. Easy stuff. After that, click on Portfolio and head in there. Choose the standard option and your coins should be visible right away. If they're not there instantly, no panic. Give it around 10 to 15 minutes, especially if you just created the liquidity. Once it's visible, hit the tiny minus button to withdraw everything. Pick Solana for the currency, approve the transaction, and just like that, you're good to go. You should be seeing it now. The confirmation message has landed, meaning the liquidity is out. The last step? Head over to your wallet and take a look at the final totals. Man, I went in with $124 and came out with $347. Didn't even see it coming that fast. This strategy's hitting hard. With how the market looks right now, it's the perfect setup if you're ready to make a move. This move is picking up steam fast, and I'm just keeping it real with you. Right now, there's a ton of open ground to cover, and if you're paying attention, it could lead to something major. And nah, there's no promo stuff going on. I've got no deals with Radium, Photon, or Launchtool. If you're interested in diving deeper or double-checking the info, hit that description. It's all laid out for you.